everyone. Today I want to talk to you about how to make money from chicken business during the Christmas or the Easter season. Today is November 17. Christmas is just about 4 to 5 weeks away. Christmas of 2022. How are you going to make money during this Christmas? Instead of just spending money and looking how to spend money, I want to tell you how to make money from chicken. In a nutshell, what you need to do is to go to farms where they raise broilers, the chicken. Ask them for the price that they are going to release the chicken to you just during the Christmas time. Just about a week to Christmas. The week of Christmas and the week after Christmas. That is when you do this business. Then you do it a week into the new year also. Then you do it a week before Easter and a week after Easter. But it's common. This business is selling, especially during Easter and the new year, January 1 and December 25. Just around December 18 to around January 3rd or 4th, people will buy chicken en masse and be eating chicken, live chicken. What you need to do is go to the farm where they sell the chickens, where they raise the birds. Ask them for the price. Usually, currently, an average chicken goes for 5,000, 4,005, 5,005 to 6,000, thereabout, depending on how large it is. So, on the farm, a chicken that costs 5,000 in the market, we can give it to you at 4,000 or 4,005 or 4,002. This is a business that I have done and I've made huge profit from. It is a business that is seamless. You see, I am on a journey. I'm going somewhere to give some people lectures. And the idea of this just comes to me. Most of my videos are not something I read in books. I just get the inspiration, get the ideas, and those are the videos that I see that do well mostly. Now, as I have this idea, I decided to park off the expressway and to do this video. You'll be seeing people park going around on bike and other things and making some sound on the ground. I have to do this video so that I will not forget it. You get it from the farm at 4,000. You come to the front of your house. If you have a shop, front of your shop. If your house is not busy, go get a cage, a raised cage. Arrange the chicken inside and then display it. Please, I want you to modify your own business by doing this. Make sure you write the price of your chicken on it. In fact, make sure you can put the weight of the chicken on it. This is modified and it's classified. It's a bonus. The weight of your chicken, write it somewhere using chalk and maybe cardboard. And then the price you want to sell. So they will not come to you and be asking for the weight. They will not come to you and be asking for the price. They already see it. Other people, they will go there, they will say it's 7,000. Then they will come down to 6,000, they come down to 5,500. But you, they've seen the other one, they say it's 5,500. Your own, you have put it there, that is 5,000. They will just come straight at 5,000. They will buy it and they will move on. And you will not talk too much and you will still make your profit. Please, I plead with you. Go into the chicken business this coming December and every December. If you do this, you will have chicken to eat in December in your home. At the same time, you have extra money to buy rice. You buy extra money to buy pepper and to cook soup. This is the pleading I'm pleading with you. Take advantage of this business opportunity, and as you do it by January, let me know what you feel and how it goes. I'm telling you, it is huge. During COVID, the COVID-19 lockdown, I made a lot from this chicken business. I was just imagining. During lockdown, people must eat, put something in their mouth. During lockdown, I went to the farm, I got the chicken. I got a lot, and I asked them to slaughter it and to remove all the intestine and other things. I packed it, and I put it in my freezer. I advertised that I sell frozen chicken. From what people were buying, I made profit. I made more than what I bought it, and I was still eating from the chicken. This is to show you the power of buying and selling. Take advantage of this business and let me know how it goes. If you have any question for me, drop it in the comment section below. And if you have anything you want to discuss with me, you can call me or you can drop it in the comment section below. You can get my contact somewhere, but if you're going to call me, don't call me and be calling. Just send me a WhatsApp message and I'm going to respond. My name is Olubenga Omoadetitun. I'm going to talk to you some other time. Bye for now.